This video is an instructional video on how to belly dance. My name is Jessie, and today we're going to cover vertical figure eights with the chest. So starting off, we want to assume the position. Do the traditional belly dancing posture where you have your pelvis tucked in, your knees are soft, your feet are right under your hips. We're going to just leave the hands on the hips, open up the chest, and we're going to make a diamond shape. So what you want to do is start off by going to the right and up, to the left and down, to the right, up, to the left and down, to the right, up, to the left and down. And remember, the hips are in, the chest is already lifted, so we are really working to separate the top and the bottom, and it just takes practice. You'll get better over time. So now try making it a fluid movement. So up to the side, down and to the left, up to the right, down and left. Isn't it fun moving your boobies like this? Now reverse. You'll draw a mate for sure. Excellent. Now we'll put it to music. We'll take it slow at first. So just go up, to the right, down, left. Up, to the right, down, left. Smile. This is fun. You're in the comfort of your own home. Reverse. Up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. Speed it up. Now reverse. Remembering to keep adjusting your stance. Pull the pelvis in. Reverse. Reverse. Nice. That wraps up the vertical chest circles. Thanks for joining me today. Please feel free to like and subscribe and share to see more of this and help out with the free dance videos on the internet. And check out my website and my Instagram. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.